How to get NordLocker application logs on macOS. In case of any issues, while accessing your NordLocker account, or getting any errors while encrypting/decrypting your files and folders, you can send application logs to support@nordlocker.com. Here are instructions below on how to do it. 1. Click Shift, plus Command key, plus G. 2. To open the NordLocker logs folder, write this path below in the field and click OK, /library/caches/com nordlocker.macOS/logs. Now, there will be .log files. You can send them to the support team describing the issue you are having.